In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to add a realistic light flare to a lamppost in Photoshop, making your image look more cinematic and eye-catching. This is a super simple technique, but when done right, it can completely transform a flat photo into something that really pops. If you enjoy easy Photoshop tricks like this, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your image in Photoshop and locate the lamppost where you want to add the glow. The first thing we're going to do is create the base glow effect. Go over to the toolbar and select the ellipse tool or simply press U on your keyboard. Now, draw a circle directly over the lamp light. Don't worry about making it perfect, just roughly match the size of the light source. Once you've drawn the circle, go to the top menu and set the fill color to white or a soft light yellow, depending on the warmth of the light you want. Then remove the stroke completely so you're left with just a solid circle. Next, we're going to soften this shape to make it look like real light. Go up to Filter, then Blur, and select Gaussian Blur. In the blur settings, increase the radius somewhere between 20 to 60 pixels. You'll notice the circle starts to spread and glow naturally. Adjust it until it looks soft and diffused rather than sharp. Now here's where the magic happens. Head over to the Layers panel and change the blend mode of this glow layer to Screen or Linear Dodge, also known as Add. Instantly you'll see the glow blend into the image and brighten the surrounding area. If it looks too strong, simply lower the opacity to somewhere between 60 and 80% until it feels natural. To enhance the glow even further, you can duplicate the layer by pressing Ctrl or Command J. This will intensify the effect and give you a stronger light source. Again, adjust the opacity if needed so it doesn't look overexposed. Now for an optional but really cool step, we're going to add a star flare effect. Go to Filter, then Render, and choose Lens Flare. A preview box will appear where you can position the flare directly over the lamplight. Try different flare types and brightness settings until you find one that matches your scene. Once applied, it adds that extra sparkle that makes the light feel realistic. And that's it. You've successfully added a glowing light flare to your lamppost in Photoshop, giving your image a much more dynamic and professional look. If this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more quick and powerful Photoshop tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.